When starting out with Boxcutter, it's important to be aware of your mode, aware of your shape, aware of your orientation, aware of your start state, aware of your snapping, aware of whether they're working destructive or non-destructive. If we begin drawing on the surface, we will do a surface-oriented draw. If we begin drawing off of the surface, we will be doing a view-align based draw, meaning that we are drawing not oriented to the surface, but oriented to the current view that we're looking in. In addition to this, we also have notifications inside of the in panel option for Boxcutter to let users know that they need to select a mesh to cut. So if you're new to Boxcutter, having the in panel may be assistive, since some users sometimes can struggle with not having their meshes selected in order to cut, wondering why their cuts come out as makes. So make sure that you select your object that you want to cut, and when it comes to drawing on a surface, you want to start what you're drawing on the surface to do a surface oriented cut, or else you would draw a view based cut.